The founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, has commiserated with the Dutse Emirate Council and Jigawa state government over the demise of the Emir of Dutse, Dr. Nuhu Muhammadu Sunusi. Aged 79, Sunusi died on Tuesday at a hospital in Abuja after a brief illness. The condolence message was contained in a statement personally signed by Professor Gorzo and made available to newsmen in Kano on Friday. Professor Gorzo, who is the president of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU, noted that the Jigawa state had lost a rare gem and a great leader who was loved by all his people in his emirate because of his humility. He described the death of the monarch as a big loss not only to his immediate family, Dutse Emirate and Jigawa state, but to the entire country. On behalf of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria and Niger, I wish to also extend our heartfelt condolence to the government and people of Jigawa state over the demise of the royal father. May the Almighty Allah grant the deceased Al-Jannatul Firdaus and give the family, people of the emirate and the entire state the courage to bear the huge loss, he said. Professor Gorzo described the deceased as a humble and peace-loving gentleman who contributed greatly towards the development of his domain. The late Emir, who was the pioneer chancellor of the Sokoto State University, Sokoto, has since been buried in accordance with the Islamic rites. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Amen.